Are you ready to unlock the secret formula that turns simple content into evergreen passive gold mines? I'm always looking for those elusive unicorn product niches. Easy to create printable and digital products with built-in high demand and low competition. I'm here to tell you that I've found one of those unicorn niches and I can't wait to share it. Social Emotional Learning Printables. SEL Printables give children tools to boost their emotional intelligence. Skills like identifying emotions and staying calm under stress. SEL has been an educational focus for years, but now it's blowing up into a mainstream movement. Parents, teachers, counselors, and more are clamoring for quality SEL resources. And to be clear, you do not need to be a teacher or have education experience to create these printables. Are you ready to tap into the skyrocketing demand for this niche? Introducing Emotion EasyPrint, emotional learning printables for kids. Emotion EasyPrint walks you through everything you need to quickly publish quality SEL resources on multiple massive marketplaces. And you don't need specialized training or experience. With my resources, anyone can contribute significantly to a child's development while creating multiple income streams. Scroll down now to learn more.